Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini's AI magic to turn any photo of your pet into a stunning 3D toy. Let's get started. First, you'll need a clear photo of your pet. Let's start with this photo of my cat. Now, open your chat with Gemini and upload the photo. The real magic happens in the text prompt you write next. We're going to describe the exact style we want. Let's type a prompt like this. Using this photo, turn my cat into a 3D vinyl toy. Make it in the style of a Pixar movie character with big, expressive eyes. Place it on a simple, colored background with soft studio lighting. Now, send the prompt. Gemini will look at your original photo, understand what your pet looks like, and then it will generate a brand new image, reimagining your pet as a 3D toy in the style you described. Look at that, a perfect little 3D version of your pet. And that's how you can create amazing AI art from your own photos. If you thought this was cool, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative AI ideas.